you from the Kids Nowadays Festival. I certainly hope you can hear me. We are here at the Kids Nowadays Kids Festival with our KidCast guest, Jennifer, and her brother, Jennifer Smith. Am I correct on that? Do you know how I knew that?
No.
I know your mother. Do you know that? Do you know your mother and I belong to the same motorcycle club?
Yeah.
Okay, I thought you probably knew that. Listen, what have you guys been doing so far today?
We went to my mom's grandma.
And have you seen, what else have you seen here today besides standing in line waiting to come on here?
Some dragons and stuff.
Dragons? You seen dragons? What kind of dragons?
Green.
Green dragons, okay. Where'd you see green dragons?
He was walking around the place.
This was inside here.
Yeah.
I didn't know we even had any. I didn't even know we had any green dragons here. Have you been having generally a good time this weekend?
Yeah.
Okay. Is there anything you plan to look at?
Something very special you all
We
want to
just
see.
wanted to
Starting
walk
in a few
around
minutes.
and look at stuff.
Okay, walk around and look at stuff. How about you, Zach? You want to see anything special today? What do you want to look at? Well, face the camera, my boy. Look right to that camera. Don't be shy. God knows your parents aren't. Okay, let's have a big wave. All right, you two. And say, buy me a motorcycle.
Buy me a motorcycle.
Okay, very good. Jennifer, thank you for being with us. It's been fun.